Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday and I'm super excited because first of all it's the month of March. It's already my favorite month because it's my birthday month, and this time we are also going to Goa, and Goa we are going to go on this Friday, and I'm so excited. मेरा तो दिन ही नहीं निकल रहा है. So yes, I don't know. Bye. So hey guys, it's finally Friday, and tonight we are going to leave for Goa. Our train is tonight, and we are going to reach tomorrow, and I'm super excited. So yay! So we have just come out of the train station, and where are we going?
Palolem.
Whatever, wherever our hotel is, we are going there. So yes, bye. We came and we changed, we freshened up, and now we are going for lunch. Now I'll show you all the place we are staying in. It's very beautiful. This is our house, like house for 2 days, home for 2 days.
राइट वाला घुमा फिर
भैया अलाउड है?
परिणाम
We have car dash. हम लोग रॉन्ग साइड जा रहे हैं गाइस, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? अरे हमको क्या? I can see people.
So we just came back from kayaking, and it was one of the best experience of my life. I loved it too much, and it was so peaceful. I love water anyways, and it was a very beautiful sport, and like, I don't know, I just love it. Okay, now I have to go take a bath. It's the second day and we are ready to go for whatever we are going for. We went for kayaking yesterday and my left hand is gone, and I guess we are going kayaking again today. Are we going kayaking again today?
We will.
We are going kayaking again today. My other hand is also going to go. We've just come to Cabo de Rama Fort.
कहाँ जाना है? ये से जाना है?
नहीं,
Of course.
सामने कहाँ जाएगी?
Sorry. नहीं, मुझे नींबू पानी. हाँ, नींबू पानी पीऊंगी.
मैंने बोला नहीं
मेरे को लगा नारियल पानी.
क्या है?
Send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
we just went down till the Pebble Beach. I'm so tired. I don't know. I don't think I'm meant for trekking at all. This was not even a trek. It was hardly something. But I'm too super tired. Okay, bye. So we just came back from one beach to go to another beach. So full tanned, and now it's beach time.
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
So we are finally back in our rooms. You can literally see the sunburn on my face. We did kayaking again and we went to the beach, we swam. And now I'm super excited because I'm super hungry first of all, and we are going to a Goan food place, like proper Goan food, which is like Konkani food, and I love Konkani food. So I can't wait to eat. Why am I upset? Wait, I think you know the answer. Why am I upset?
I really don't know.
If somebody puts a gun to your head, why am I obsessed?
Maybe because,
I think I know the answer.
yeah.
Not rubbish. Why am I obsessed?
Is it because you didn't get food?
No!
Yes!
I thought इसी मैंने पूछा ना कि it's like
I didn't
recently
get
से-
Goan food.
You can't give. You can't have. Forget it.
It's okay, I can crop. I literally said in the.
We can't give you clues.
Yes.
No clues allowed.
I literally said in the previous vlog that I'm so happy I'm going to go for Goan food. Just came to the Butterfly Beach. I know I look taklu, I'm not. I just put that because it becomes bad on the bike, my hair. So we've just come to Butterfly Beach and it is beautiful.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Akshu, where are we?
We are at German Bakery, guys. This is in Palolem. Any of you want to come, do come. It's amazing.
Yes, it is an amazing place. And this is the third time in the past 2 days we have come here, and the food is beautiful. What are you having?
Butterscotch.
Akshu, what are you having?
I'm having coffee. I wanted Maggi.
Why didn't you take? So we are going to North Goa now. We are going to Kalangut. We have our journey in South Goa is over. Now, anyways, we are leaving North Goa now, and we are going to we are leaving South Goa now, and we are going to North Goa. And I underestimated the burning of the sunburns I have on my body, and they burn. This is the view from our north hotel. The beach is right there. So we just came to the place where Dil Chahta Ka shooting had happened. It's beautiful, but it's a lot of walking and stones and too much to walk. I'm already dreading going down. So it's the last day in Goa. We'll go for lunch now, and then we might go to the beach, just chill today. It's the last day. Akshu,
Thank you so much.
where are we?
I got scared. Garden of Dreams. तो वो पिया तो और एकदम से
Tejal, where have we come?
We have come to Arum. No. We have come to Arambur.
Akshu, where have we come? Capricorn. For we are only eating this. We are hoping for what, but
Goan food, which we are not going to get.
I think we are going to get disappointed again. So update. Akshu, she's in thodu luck because she's a non-vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. There's only one sabji for me, that is Goan.
Shift to non-veg.
I'll make her eat one bite.
No.
You will like only the curry.
They want me to shift to non-veg. Mama, Papa, I know you all are watching. I'm not going to shift.
Only the curry. One khasa.
Don't worry, I won't.
अरे ना यार फिश हाउस है
ये क्या So we came home. I took a bath. Now I have to do the worst. Now I have to do the worst thing anyone has to do. That is pack. I have to pack all my clothes, which is in a mess. And I don't want to do it. I miss Ishita. She's my friend who did my packing while I was coming. She was the one who packed my bag. I haven't missed her so much ever. I don't want to pack. Okay, bye. Akshu, where are we going?
We're going back home.
Jor se.
Home.
We are on our way to the airport. We are going home. Our trip ends.
Are you sad, baby? Are you sad?
Kind of. Because I'm not going to miss the sunburn and insects and dhoop.
I miss the beaches.
Yeah, I'll miss the beaches. Bhaiya, what will you miss?
South Goa.
Fan on karo na.
It's something in particular.
Madam.
Akshu, why am I upset?
Because she wants Maggie, bichari, since so many days she wanted to eat Maggie. Now there's no Maggie in the airport. Inside.
It's been exactly 1 week. I've not eaten Maggie. And I wanted कि मैं जहाँ जाऊँ at least एक बार Maggie खाऊँ.
Your birthday पे I'll give you Maggie का carton.
Yes. We didn't eat Maggie anytime. And I hoped I'll get it at the airport. I hoped I'll get it at the airport, but I didn't. Like I'm never lucky when it comes to food. Always.
I will make you eat good food. That is non-veg.
No. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. Akshu, what will you miss the most?
I will miss you, baby.
We stay 6 floors apart.
But still, we used to cuddle and sleep together. We used to eat together. I think 24 hours we've been together. Continue.
Yeah, full 6 days. बस अब रोना ही यार. And I'm back to my home sweet home. It was an amazing vacation. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy half as much as I did. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.